Hi guys, I'm Mr. Paradox and we will continue pre-security and we will solve Windows fundamentals too. Okay, start. Introduction. Read above and we start the virtual machine. Our virtual machine is ready. System configuration and advanced system settings. Okay. What is the name of the service that lists systems internals as a manufacturer? Okay. We will use msconfig as a system configuration. And we find it from services. Okay. Okay, system internals PC shutdown. Okay. Whom is the Windows license registered to? Okay. System information. For this question, we will use system information. Launch. Okay. About Windows. Yes, we will use about Windows, and this product is licensed under the Microsoft software license to Windows user. Windows user. What is the command for Windows troubleshooting? Windows troubleshooting. Answer is that. What command will open the control panel? System properties control X. What is the command to open user account control settings? User account control settings. Selected command is that. And okay. Copy. Computer management. Computer management is used to control some things about the computer, example system tools, storage, services and applications, and etc. What is the command to open the computer management? Okay, our command is that, and copy it and paste. When is the npcap watchdog scheduled task set to run at? Okay. Launch, open the computer management, task scheduler, task scheduler library, and set to run hint triggers columns. Okay, or at system startup. We need the triggers, and mp caps triggers is that. What is the name of the hidden folder that is shared? Okay, shared folders, shares, and our hidden folder is that. Open that, copy it, and paste. System information, msinfo 32, and we can use all the things about our system, hardware resources, components, software environment, and so on. What is the command to open system information? The answer is the name of exe. Okay. Close the tabs. System information. msinfo x32. What is the listed under system name? Under system name. What is the listed under system name? Okay guys, hardware resources, components, software environment, system names. System manufacturer, system model, system type. THM WinFan2. Okay, THM WinFan2. Under environmental variables, what is the value for compsec? Environmental variables, compsec is that system root, system root, system 32, system 32, cmdx, okay. Resource monitor. Resource monitor is useful to look at the all things about our resource, such as CPU, disk, network, memory, and so on. Okay, what is the command to open resource monitor? Close the tab and resource monitor. resmonx. Command prompt. Command prompt is useful to do things and in system for writing the commands. Example, to find the host name, who am I, ipconfig all netstat, such as we use the netstat to find the active connections. We use the net for the find the information about our networks. Okay, in system configuration, what is the full command for internet protocol configuration? Internet protocol configuration. Okay, yes, our command is that, and copy it and paste. For the ipconfig command, how do you show the detailed information? Okay, open the command prompt, ipconfig all, and we get the detailed information about our sorry guys launch ipconfig/all, and we get the detailed information about our networks, our ipconfig configuration. Okay, registry editor, the Windows registry. Okay, what is the command to open the registry editor? Registry editor is useful. It's a central hierarchy database to store information in our system, and there is located such as very crucial information, such as system informations and so on. Registry editor. Okay, regget 32x. Conclusion. Recall the tasks covered in this room were some of the tools that can launch from ipconfig. Yes. Read above, no answer needed. Okay guys, we solved this room. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. See you later.